3D printing technology has revolutionized many industries, including space science. With the ability to create complex parts and components on demand, 3D printing has become an essential tool for space exploration and research. In this article, we will explore the role of 3D printing in space science and its potential applications. Manufacturing in space. One of the most significant challenges of space exploration is the difficulty of manufacturing parts and components in the harsh environment of space. Traditional manufacturing processes are not well suited to the constraints of space, which include limited resources, zero gravity, and extreme temperatures. However, 3D printing offers a solution to these challenges by allowing parts to be manufactured on demand, eliminating the need for costly and time-consuming resupply missions. The first 3D printer was sent to the International Space Station, ISS, in 2014, where it was used to print a series of test parts. Since then, 3D printing technology has been used for a variety of manufacturing applications in space, including the production of spare parts and tools, as well as experiments and research projects. Customized parts and components. In addition to on-demand manufacturing, 3D printing also allows for the creation of customized parts and components, which can be tailored to specific applications and environments. This is particularly important in space science, where the unique demands of the space environment require specialized equipment and technology. Medical applications. Another area where 3D printing technology is making a significant impact in space science is in medical applications. Space travel can have significant effects on the human body, including bone and muscle loss, vision changes, and radiation exposure. 3D printing technology is being used to create customized medical devices, such as prosthetics and dental implants, that can help mitigate some of these effects. Future applications. As 3D printing technology continues to evolve, its potential applications in space science are only beginning to be realized. One area of particular interest is the creation of large-scale structures in space, such as habitats and infrastructure. By using 3D printing technology to create these structures on-site, space missions could reduce the cost and complexity of launching prefabricated structures from Earth.